Welcome to TechSat News. Bird flu. Suspected in deaths of ducks and wild birds at N.Y.C. Zoo. A recent outbreak of avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, is suspected to be responsible for the deaths of several ducks and wild birds at a New York City zoo. Wildlife officials and veterinary experts are currently investigating the cause, raising concerns about the potential spread of the virus. Mysterious bird deaths raise alarm. The zoo, which has not been publicly named due to ongoing investigations, reported multiple bird fatalities over the past few weeks. Caretakers initially observed symptoms such as lethargy, respiratory distress, and lack of appetite among the affected birds before their sudden deaths. Preliminary tests indicate that highly pathogenic avian influenza, HPAI, may be the cause. Samples have been sent to specialized laboratories for further confirmation. If the presence of bird flu is officially detected, it would add to growing concerns about the virus's impact on wildlife and domestic poultry in the region. What is avian influenza? Avian influenza is a viral infection that primarily affects birds, but can sometimes spread to other animals and, in rare cases, humans. The H5N1 and H5N8 strains have been particularly concerning, as they have led to outbreaks among both wild and domestic bird populations across the globe. The virus is highly contagious among birds and spreads through direct contact, contaminated food and water sources, or infected droppings. Infected birds often exhibit symptoms such as difficulty breathing, swelling, decreased egg production, and neurological issues. Impact on zoos and wildlife. Bird flu outbreaks can have devastating effects on zoos, aviaries, and conservation centers. Wildlife officials and veterinarians are taking swift action to contain the situation and prevent further spread. Possible measures include temporarily closing bird exhibits, increasing biosecurity protocols, and isolating affected areas. Additionally, officials are monitoring nearby bird populations to determine whether the virus has spread beyond the zoo's premises. Bird flu can be particularly dangerous in urban areas, where wild birds interact closely with domestic birds and other wildlife. Potential risks to humans. While avian influenza primarily affects birds, the risk of human transmission remains a concern, especially for those in close contact with infected animals.